Introduce features interest for G00VI Robot Vacuum Cleaner. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Specialized sensors detect boundary strips to ensure Robot Vacuum Cleaner only cleans the areas you want. With advanced motor, our robot vacuum generate 2000 PA powerful suction. This design reduces vacuuming noise to merely 55 decibels, about the same as a working microwave, so it will clean quietly without screaming your pets. With 2600 mAh built-in lithium battery, is safe to use with extended battery life. Runs up to 100 minutes per charge and automatically recharges. Features with dual-side brushes which work seamlessly with a V-shaped nylon and rubber rolling brush. Our smart vacuum effectively loosen, extract, and vacuum dirt to give a superior deep clean. 2.81-inch low-grade design gets under sofas, beds, and furniture where dirt hides and works on wood, tile, and carpet to clean your entire home. If you want to get full highlight features and full review, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.